Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to another video and good morning. The time right now is 7:20. My friend is going to be picking me up around 8:30 and we're going to go to Tom's River. Yesterday around 12, Chris had his graduation party. Yeah, I was going to wake up at 5:30. I woke up at 6. So yeah, I checked the forecast. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Congrats, grad. There's Chris. This is so exciting. We went to Tom's River last year, but it's still out there. Anyways, I'll get back to you once changing into my clothes.
Later.
Look at the little Google Doodle for today. Alright guys, I am now dressed and ready. I'm gonna bring these, my star glasses. I can't wait to go to Tom's River. Last year was so fun. We went canoeing. At the bay, and when we actually went swimming in the bay, the water was so warm.
Look at the boat! Look at the boat! Look at the boat! Look at all the beach! Alright.
And it wasn't that deep too. And we happened to be walking. Basically, there's an ice cream truck, and we just decided to get ice cream. Ice cream man just came. I'm also bringing, I have the waterproof case, I have the GoPro in, and I also have a little selfie stick for the GoPro. Then obviously we have our GoPro here. I got this bag here with some of my stuff in it, and I have my GoPro case, and also, I just noticed this. Look what it says on my bag. As American flag, it says, proud to be an American. I also went to the market on Friday, because I work on Fridays, and I bought some cupcakes. Last year, I brought cookies with me. They didn't ask me to bring anything, but I just decided to, just like I did last year. Oops. That happens sometimes. Gotta save it. Just kidding. Guys, they're gonna come around 8:30. It is almost that time, so I gotta get some last minute stuff ready, and then I'm gonna wait outside for them. All right, guys, I'm outside waiting for them. It is around 8:30 right now. I brought everything with me. Anyways, I'm gonna go wait for a bit, and yeah. All right, they're here. Let's go. There's a nice balcony view. I'm gonna get a shot of that, but we're here. Get excited. Oh my God. Canoe and go canoeing. Starting to rain. No.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Uh-oh. Look, this is the water on the sand. It looks weird. Nice out here. Adorable. GoPro.
Hey guys, Editing Alex here, and I just want to tell you something real quick. So basically the SD card where I have the GoPro footage from Tom's River is lost. So this is what I'm going to do. Go to my other channel that is linked in the description below. Once I find the SD card, I will be uploading the GoPro footage from 4th of July vlog. So stay tuned for that. Okay, back to the video.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Gonna walk off. Easy.
Later.
Over there, there, and over there. Ooh, Say it with me now. Ooh. Wow, that was the bomb. I'm sorry. 4th of July. Oh my gosh. That was a good show. Hey everybody, I'm back from Tom's River. It's 11:34. I want to go to bed. So, yeah, it's very fun. And, I'll see you tomorrow.
The next day.
Hey, it is the next day. Owen. Ew. Oh, there's Teddy. Teddy! No, Owen, stop it. Why are you sitting in there? Owen, ow, no. Guys, just noticed that my bracelet is red, white, and blue. Yeah. You want this one, though? Owen, I got a better stick. Owen. Oh! Oh, so cute. Let's open up a Sprite lemon lime. Pineapple on pizza. You got mad? Where'd the football go? I guess we'll do this. Alright, you ready to start football? So yeah, I'm just bringing out some chips and salsa. And I guess we're having a party. And we're possibly gonna have a bonfire. We're having shrimp jambalaya. Never tried it, but I just need to get Chris a towel because he forgot one.